Hi guys, in front of me is iPhone and let me show you how to use Harry Potter spells on this device. So at first, open the settings and make sure that you've got Siri active. To do it, open Siri and search, and then make sure that all three indicators are active, those top indicators. And now let's use the commands that are defaultly applied to your device. Obviously, you can use them both on lock and home screen. Let me show one command on lock and then the second one on home screen so you can see how it works. So, if you wish to activate flashlight with Harry Potter spell, all you have to do is to ask Siri to open it like this. Hey Siri, Lumos.
Okay, I turned flashlight on.
So as you can see, Lumos is the first spell that you can use. Then if you wish to switch the flashlight off, all you have to do is to tell her, hey Siri, Nox.
Okay, I turned flashlight off.
And as you can see, it is switched off. Then let's use the second spell and let's do it on active screen. And if you wish to open, for example, Spotify or any other app, just provide the next command, the next spell, which is hey Siri, accio Spotify. And that's it. As you can see, accio is another spell that you can use, and then just provide the name of application that you wish to activate. So this is it. That would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.